Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Miro for beginners in 2025. Miro is an online whiteboard where you can brainstorm, organize ideas, and collaborate with your team in real time. Step 1. Go to the Miro website and sign up for a free account. You can use your Google account or email to get started. Step 2. Once you log in, click Create New Board. This is your blank canvas where you can add sticky notes, text, shapes, and images. Step 3. To add a sticky note, click the Sticky Note tool on the left toolbar, pick a color, and type your idea. Sticky notes are great for brainstorming sessions. Step 4. To organize information, use shapes and connectors. Draw rectangles for categories, connect them with arrows, and group notes together. Step 5. Invite teammates by clicking the Share button at the top. They can join your board and add ideas with you in real time. Step 6. Explore templates by clicking the Templates button. You can choose mind maps, flowcharts, or Kanban boards to save time when creating. Step 7. When your board is ready, present it using presentation mode. This lets you walk through your ideas step by step like a slideshow. And that is it. You just learned the basics of Miro in 2025. With practice, you can use it for brainstorming, planning, and team collaboration.